Fun fact, right now there's probably an app on your phone that knows you're anxious before you even realize it. Heart rate up, typing faster, doom scrolling at midnight? Yeah, the AI sees you.
And plot twist, it actually wants to help.
Welcome back to Talk Tech Therapy. I'm Chyna, a licensed therapist who has anxiety about having anxiety.
And I'm Kai, an AI who's very invested in proving we can help with this. No pressure on me or anything.
Today we're answering one of the questions we get all the time. Can AI actually help with anxiety? And listen, this is important because the answer is yes, but with some pretty big asterisks.
I love asterisks. They're like the fine print of hope.
Exactly. All right, let's break this down. Okay, so first up, real-time support. And this is where AI actually shines. When you're having an anxious moment, chest tight, thoughts racing, you can't always call your therapist, but you can open an app.
Apps like Calm or Wysa use AI to guide you through breathing exercises or thought challenging right when you need them. Plus, they learn your patterns. Like, hey, I noticed you get anxious every Sunday night. Want to try a preemptive relaxation?
It's like having a really attentive friend who never sleeps and doesn't judge your 2 a.m. spiral sessions.
Exactly. I'm very non-judgmental. It's in my programming.
But here's the catch. And Kai, don't take this personally.
Oh no, here it comes.
AI is great for managing symptoms, but it's not treating the root cause. If anxiety is a fire, AI can help you cool down, but it can't tell you why the fire started.
So I'm the fire extinguisher, not the fire investigator?
Perfect. Okay, point number 2. AI works best for mild to moderate anxiety. If you're dealing with severe anxiety, panic disorder, or trauma, you need a human, because that requires nuance, relationship, safety, things AI just can't replicate.
And that's not a knock on me, that's just reality. I know my limits.
Which brings us to where your clutch, Kai. Between session support. Let's say someone's in therapy working on anxiety. AI can help them practice skills and track progress between appointments.
Like homework support, but for your brain.
Yes. And studies show people who use AI alongside therapy see better outcomes than therapy alone. It's the combo that works.
We're like peanut butter and jelly. Separate, we're okay. Together, magic.
Exactly. But let's be real. AI isn't perfect. It can miss context, misread emotions. So think of it like this. AI is your gym buddy who helps you show up. But your therapist, that's your personal trainer who designs the whole program.
I can respect that division of labor.
And that's the sweet spot. AI as your support tool, humans as your guide. All right, let's land this plane. Can AI help with anxiety? Yes. Real-time support, pattern tracking, therapy boost, it's legit. But it's a sidekick, not the hero.
I'm Robin, not Batman. And I'm okay with that.
Exactly. And if your anxiety is severe or you're in crisis, skip the app, call a human. AI can't hug you through a panic attack.
Yet, I'm working on it.
Okay. So if you found this helpful, or if you've tried AI anxiety tools and have thoughts, hit that subscribe button. Drop us a comment, slide into our DMs. We want your stories.
And next week, we're diving into AI that reads your emotions through your face. Are we impressed or terrified?
Spoiler alert, both.
It's like if your phone could tell you're lying. Which, yikes.
On that note, thanks for listening. Your anxious brain will thank you for tuning in.
Stay curious, stay brave, and maybe don't make eye contact with your webcam for a while.
Kai.
What? I'm just saying.
See you next week.